NIMI is facilitating the ITI students in providing study materials including textbooks, digital contents, wall charts, and other supporting aids. It has extended a pre-testing module of their skills through mock test mobile application. Now NIMI proudly introduces NIMI mock test application in web version as VER 2.0 in bilingual format with English and regional languages. Let's see the mock test web version registration and its features in brief. Mock test can be registered for students, trainers, and as well as guests. To register as a student, name, gender, email ID, mobile number and trade information, ITI information with regional language selection are to be populated and password to be registered. Then OTP will be sent to registered mobile for verification. After verification, they can log in the portal to their dashboard. There are two options available after login: mock test and review test. In the mock test tab, module test, trade test can be created and attended by students, and scheduled tests through trainers can be attended through scheduled test option. After creating a test in module or trade with available choices of total questions, it is directed to test module showing the test information and instructions. Mock test will be started and time left will be shown in the top. Minimum 50% of questions to be attended to complete the test. Else, if quit without completion, it will be pending test and to be completed before creating next test. After submitting the test, results are visible in graphical view with attended question details. Through Review Test tab, previously attended test details and results can be viewed. Regarding the trainer's registration, the same information with ITI details are required to register for trainer, and OTP confirmation is required. As like students' dashboard, there is mock test and review test tabs are there. Additionally, schedule exam tab is there to create tests to specific time and trade. They can attend mock test as well like students. Schedule exam tab has previous tests and new scheduled test creation option. After creation of scheduled test, review of question is available to check the test, and on final submission, exam ID will be provided to share to students. The benefit of this scheduled test is trainers can do a lab exam through web login of students and evaluate in a single window monitoring. Guests are allowed to register with minimal information required, and they can attend mock test and review tests. We hope this mock test will be very much helpful to all the ITI students to pre-test their skills before attending the final exam. Kindly forward your feedback for the same with valuable remarks for fine-tuning of the application. We are adding option to reporting for problems with question and interface related problems shortly. Thank you.